Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our presentation in First International Conference on Education and Sharia. Let me introduce our team. I am Furis Siskawati from Islamic University of Jember and my friend Fitriana Eka Chandra from Khairun University, Ternate. Now, I will present the article with the title is The Effect of Numeracy Literacy Skill on Written and Verbal Communication Skill in Viewing by Learning Outcome. Starting from the background of the research, in this research we'll divide it by the four parts, where part 1 about the need of 21st century, part 2 about the importance of communication skill, part 3 about the importance of numeracy literacy skill, and part 4 is the relation between the need of 21st century with communication skill and numeracy literacy skill, where the all of it will give impact for learning outcome. In globalization era and industrial revolution 4.0, the technological development running so fast and satisfaction. That condition makes change in many sectors in our life. One of these, education sector. The education sector be the important because by education can make the human resource have good quality. So it helps them to survive and compete with other countries in the world. The good quality on education can be obtained by mastering skill that need in 21st century, where it be done by meaningful learning, which must be conditioned to be student-centered, not teacher-centered. From this, one skill that must be mastered in 21st century is communication skill, not only verbal but also written. Communication skill in mathematics is the skill in the process of conveying mathematical information that containing of messages, ideas, and thought from one communicator to other communicant. The communication skill divided by two parts that are verbal and written, where both of it have same indicator. There are the indicator 1. Connecting real object, picture, graphic, and algebra. 2. Declaring a daily occurrence in the language of mathematics. 3. Listening, discussion, and reading about mathematics. 4. Read with understanding a mathematics presentation reading. 5. Develop mathematical questions that are relevant to the problem situation. 6. Constructing a conjecture, develop the argument, formulate, definition, and generalization. The communication skill is important to be mastering by student because with communication, student can express opinion and ideas precisely and accurately. Then, communication skill help the student to have a good interaction in the social activity. Then, from literature review, in this research found that the communication skill has a relation with numeracy literacy skill, where communication skill are an indicator of numeracy literacy skill. The numeracy literacy skill is skill to understand and formulate a problem, apply mathematical procedure, and interpret mathematical concept from various content and context of problem. The indicator of numeracy literacy skill are 1. Able to solve problem practically in everyday situation by using numbers and related symbol in base mathematics. 2. Able to decipher data present in various formats, graph, table, chart, and etc. 3. Able to interpret the result of analysis that have been carried out to estimate as well conclude. The important for mastering numeracy literacy skill when we learn mathematics are can help us understand the role of mathematics in the real world, not only helping to understand the content of mathematics concept, but also applying them to real situation. Then can train student mindset in facing situation and to contribute to the 21st century, which is full of numeration, argument, and data. And the last important of numeracy literacy skill can be said in other opinion that a good mastery of numeracy literacy skill will increase employment competitiveness and economic prosperity. From there, it can make a real contribution to social growth, economic growth, and welfare. So, based on the explanation, we can conclude that the one skill that must be mastered in the 21st century is communication skill, not only in verbal but also in written. Then, communication skill has a relation with numeracy literacy skill, where communication skill are an indicator of numeracy literacy skill. Then, the good of communication skill will make good numeracy literacy skill. And the last, from the condition, good communication skill and good numeracy literacy skill will impact to the learning outcome that make learning outcome be good. So, based on the explanation, it's inspiring me to do the research with the title is The Effect of Numeracy Literacy Skill on Verbal and Written Communication Skill in Viewing by Learning Outcome. That the basic of the aim in this research is to know if there is a correlation and significant effect between numeracy literacy skill and verbal and written communication skill, both directly and indirectly. If the correlation and effect are known, it can be used as a basis for carrying out meaningful learning activity. Okay, for the next session is research method. The first is the research design. This research uses collaboration of associative and correlation research with the quantitative approach. The subject of the research is student in mathematical education study program were 30 students with the taken by random. The data collecting method that used is test and documentation. Test for knowing the communication skill and numeracy literacy, and documentation for knowing the learning outcome. And the last is the data analysis. The data analysis that use this SAM PLS, and the model is from the picture we can see the circle, rectangle, and arrow. That the meaning is the circle is the variable that used in this research, and rectangle, the meaning is indicator of variable, and the row is the correlation and the effect. And L1 until 3, the meaning is the indicator of numeracy literacy skill number 1, number 2, and number 3. For VCOM and WCOM is the variable of communication skill. For V is verbal communication, and W is written communication. And for A is affective, and K is cognitive. There is the indicator of learning outcome. H1 until 5 is hypothesis. Okay, for the next is result of the research. From the picture, we can see that the score is more than 0.500. It means that the indicator of variable is valid. then it used to give accurate value if we will get the result of other hypothesis. And for the second picture is the score of R square. It used to meaning the goodness of model. If the model good is give accurate value of other hypothesis. From this picture we can see that the R score more than 0.200. It means the model is good. For 3 is the picture to mean the correlation variable. It can say that the correlation is positive, where the score is give positive value. Then in the last picture about the effect of variable, and the criteria that used is if score more than 1.961, it means that there is a significant effect of variable. From there we get score more than 1.961, so it can be said that all of variable give a significant effect. Based on the value, the conclusion are all of the indicators used are valid to represent the variable proposed in this research with value showing result greater than 0.500. Second, the model used to describe the effect of each variable is also good with the score result above 0.200. And third, there is a positive correlation between numeracy literacy skill with verbal and written communication skill and learning outcome, where the results show positive value. Fourth, there is also a positive correlation between numeracy literacy skill with variable and written communication skill through reviewing learning outcome, where the results show positive value. 5. There are effect between numeracy literacy skill with verbal and written communication skill and learning outcome. And the last, there are an effect between numeracy literacy skill with verbal and written communication skill through viewing learning outcome, where the value is greater than 1.960. Thank you. This is that can I explain, and see you next time.